Hello, friends! Bunny and Teacher are here. Today we're going to learn all about the fingers on our hand. Let's start by looking at the fingers on our hand. This is my hand. Can you show yours too? This big helper is the thumb. It helps us hold things and do so many tasks. This is the index finger. We use it to point.
The index finger.
The index finger. It's so bright.
Next is the middle finger. It's the tallest one.
Good.
This is the ring finger. Many people wear rings on
The
it.
silver ring on it is called the ring finger.
And this
finger
tiny
right
one
here
is the
called
pinky finger, the smallest and cutest.
the little finger.
And when we put both hands together, we have 10 fingers.
1 and 1, 2. 2 and 2, 4. 3 and 3 are 6 for me. 4 and 4, 8. I can clap them, I can snap them, I can roll them up and down.
Great job, little learners! Bunny and Teacher are proud of you. See you next time!